I just want to hang out. I just texted her. I was like,
wow. Oh. It's so cute though. Wow. Thank you, Chef. Wow, what a view of the office building.
Hi, office building. See, that's what like freaks me out at Midtown, because there's no like I can't see beyond.
Yeah.
You know?
Oh, so nice though.
I can't believe that by Ichiran and by Christian, so.
It's like radioactive. Yummy? For every lift ride? Or have it flipped? It's my grandmother's 88th birthday. So I'm just making her like a little flower arrangement. And I picked up roses, new size, and then just some like fun greens. I'm just gonna try to make something small. This one I'm gonna try to reflex a rose. I've never done that before. Wow. That's actually gorgeous. I think this will be my centerpiece. We are going camping. The car is packed. Nato. Nato is packed, right? Oh my gosh, she was freaking out before we left, thinking we weren't gonna bring her, so she was crying a lot. But now she's okay. Right, Nato Bean? Wow, Nato. These are lily pads. One time we were here and they were thriving and there was like lotus flowers in the water. It was so pretty. Alas, maybe next time. Campground. Finally, like an hour later. I don't know how long it took, but our tent is up. Oh my goodness, that's inappropriate. I got these really cute picnic bench covers, but I got the 6-foot one, and unfortunately the benches are 8 feet, so that's sad. Are you comfy, Nato? Yeah, we brought the full queen air mattress. Fancy living. Tom Haverford would be proud. Then our bonfire is ready. And we even have the hammock. This is a smaller campsite than we usually do, but there's less one left. I don't know. We're by the bathrooms, which I guess is convenient. Yeah. This girl. Of course, she's adopted by parents who love camping and being outdoors, and she hates it. So.
My birthday gift to you.
Uh-huh. Wow! Ooh!
Happy birthday.
Oh, you got me the bunny one! Oh no! She got it wet!
Oh, what the heck?
Oh, I have the Shiva and the bunny now!
Yeah.
Oh, I thought about getting this too!
I know, I'm so glad that you didn't.
Oh, what's the notebook?
Sorry.
Oh. Ah!
Hey.
Wow. Is this about you or about me? There's the chipmunk again. Yeah.
It's the little guy.
I know. He keeps being there. Bubba? A booba. That's a throwback. Aww. Wow, this is so cool.
Right?
It's actually wood, right?
It's wood, yeah. It's
That's
actually wood.
Crazy.
Uh-huh. Super thinly sliced
Super
wood.
thin wood. Wow. I saw this too. It's a lot cooler in person than online.
Mm-hmm.
It smells like wood too.
Yeah.
You smell it?
Uh-huh.
Wow, that's so cool.
Right?
Wow! It's so beautiful. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I was gonna get you the other ones, but the big one arrived broken. So then
Of this?
No, the the
Hasami?
Hasami, the black one.
It
So that
arrived broken?
Yeah, it was supposed to be a whole set. I have a picture and everything, but yeah, it was like that, and then the smaller
Aw.
one, and then you have the small one.
Yeah.
It's like,
Whee! I was thinking too, like it'd be really cool to for like a dinnerware set have all different plates, but they all kind of match
like
the same
theme.
vibe,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
have
yeah.
like different ones to mix
Uh-huh.
and match. So yeah, these are beautiful. Should we use them?
Oh, you know what's over there?
Okay. Keeping up to me.
Mm-hmm.
keep seeing this tiny little chipmunk. Where'd you go? There he is. Threw him some almonds, but I don't know if he found it. And now I only have one left. Your shirt and my sweater kind of like match aesthetically.
Yeah.
It's like vintage duck. Show my bunny sweater. It's so cute. I think it has bunnies in the back, right?
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
No. No.
Oh, my eyes. Wow, what is that? A fruit tart?
Uh-huh.
Ooh.
Happy birthday.
Oh, okay, you don't have to say. Oh, it rained all night. Yeah.
Want how you show up, all these things in a list format so you're not overwhelmed by all these thoughts of like how you carry yourself, etc., etc. It's so powerful to revisit, because when I revisit this, why I wanted to mantras, but because I wrote it down at one point and really like marinated it, was the affirmation of it. I want to get rid this winter of performance anxiety so that I can be myself and only strive to walk in my truth and my power and stand in my decisions.
Discovering that my local library has a book sale every month has kind of been life-changing. I went a few months ago and I went for the second time today, and this is my $8 book haul. So I wanted to share what I got. So the first book I got was Charles Dickens' Great Expectations. Last month I read A Tale of Two Cities for the first time, and that was my first time ever reading a Dickens novel. So I figured this would be a great place to just continue on my journey. So whenever I get a knack to read Dickens again, I have this one on hand. Believe it or not, this is my first copy of Little Woman. I think I read it many years ago, and the movie adaptation has a really special place in my heart. So yes, I'm very excited to finally own a copy, and this one is just so darling. It's so cute. The other day, I think earlier this week, I was just thinking that I really wanted to reread The Great Gatsby, and I don't own a copy, so today I found this one. And I like this one because it's a bit different from the cover that you usually see, the the blue cover with the face in the sky. This one I thought was very unique. And speaking of Alcott Fitzgerald, I also picked up Tender as the Night, and this is a vintage hardback copy. Let's see what year it is from. 1962. And then lastly, I picked up The Buried Giant by Kazuo Ishiguro. I love his work, and I have never read The Buried Giant, and this cover just blew me away. The sage green color, the gold detailing. It is such a beautiful book. Even the sleeve, without the sleeve, it's so pretty. This is the inside, and then this is the book. So as I continue to build up my classic literature collection, these library sales have been so paramount to starting my collection, and I am slowly building everything up on my library ladder, and so much so that I'm kind of running out of space.